All right, here we go. So we're going to start off by going through the basics of extractors. So again, this is a single page and extracting the data from a single page. So for the purposes of this drill, we're going to pretend that we are Lyft. For those of you who are in San Francisco, you'll probably know what Lyft is. Lyft is a service that allows normal people to sign up as long as they qualify to drive you around in their car like a taxi. So from your phone, you have an app where you drop a pin and you say, hey, come pick me up at this place, and then you'll pay them. And their main competition is Uber. So what we're going to do is we're going to monitor Uber's jobs page to get intel on the types of people they're hiring ahead of time. And I think they're a little bit further down the road than Lyft is. They've been around for a lot longer. So in terms of understanding what it is that they're hiring for, etc., that's going to be really helpful to us. So we're navigating right now to uber.com/jobs, and this kind of info right here isn't super useful to us. So let's just click through in a particular category. We're trying to find a listing page. Aha! And we have found it. Perfect. Right, so maybe we want to monitor a specific department, specific location, or based on a keyword, but I'm thinking we just want to do all departments, all locations, and no keywords, so we can get a really holistic view of what it is that they're doing. So we've navigated here, and yep, this is pretty much what we wanted, right? We wanted just the general information on all the different jobs that are available. So let's do this. Grab an extractor. And we're there, so let's and now we are going to let this detect optimal settings. It's a little bit different than what we did in the connector. It does this while the connector is loading, but at a different point in time. So is the data still there? Yeah, the data is still there. Okay, scroll down here. Now it wants us to help it train rows. So it's got some funky formatting stuff happening right now, but that's okay. That doesn't really bother us. So let's select this whole row. Well, that didn't really work how I wanted it to. So this is a great example of it not letting me select an entire row. So I'm just going to select it myself. I just did a drag across there. Got the first one down. Okay, so it's giving us a message here. It says there's too many results to highlight. We will highlight the first 100 on the page. Please note this will not limit your ability to extract more than 100 results from the querying your connector through the import IO platform. Okay, no problem. Let's take 100 rows there. So I've got all my rows. And let's just add the quick columns here. And they already have the columns named for us, basically. So let's just follow that naming convention, job title. All right, got that. Department. Awesome. So we've got the data we want, and I love this application of an extractor on a jobs page because it really truly is it's actually pretty transformational for us to be able to see what jobs they're hiring for ahead of time, and also kind of understand how they're optimizing their business. There's a lot you can learn from what people are hiring for. So in this case, we're done training, and this is one that's just really quick and dirty, but really powerful. So you can continue to look at this. So let's call this Uber jobs over the course of time, and look at it however often you want. But in this case, you're getting a lot of information about one of your main competitors. All right, let's pop over here. We'll look at the data. All right. Fantastic. And as you can see, it grabbed all of the information. It just didn't select them all in the windows. So it gave us that 100 result warning, but it didn't really end up mattering at all. So we've got our Uber jobs. And we're going to save that. And it's worth noting that anytime you come in here and look at this, you can just click refresh and get a new set of data. So that's how to build an extractor for a jobs page.